Another absolutely superb Range Rover that's just arrived. It's beautiful. It's done 6,000 miles. It's a 300 SE. It's the spec. Fuji White, Shadowline exterior, 23-inch wheels, sliding sunroof, ebony leather inside, gloss black grand veneer. So it's got a beautiful piano wood, side steps, contrasting black roof and privacy glass. I've just looked at the way we've priced it. It is priced on the money to sell. It's got the spec, it's got the colour combination. It's one of them cars, it's just going to sell instantly. 6,000 miles, still got 2 years Land Rover warranty. The all-new Range Rover just oozes luxury, so you get lots of spec as standard anyway. Digital headlights, it's got the shadow exterior styling, so you've got the inserts in that beautiful anthracite colour. 23-inch wheels, very expensive option, £3,000. Split spoke, finished in high gloss black. Again, just set the car off beautifully. You've then got the Atlas fence there with the shadow line. You've got the black across the bottom of the doors. Fixed steps, that's another paid for option. Contrasting black roof. And I just think, I'm going to lock the car. Look at the back here. So I just think it looks wonderful on a white new Range Rover. You've got the black, you've got that big section across the centre. And then if I open it up with them wonderful LED lights, look at that. And then the big rear diffuser in gloss black as well. Again, all works beautifully well. Other features. So, keyless entry. You've got them deployable handles. I'll start in the rear. Soft closed doors. And then again, it is the finishing inside. So we've got ebony leather. So you've got beautiful leather, rear electric seats. Gloss black grand veneer, that beautiful wood. Rear heated seats in the back. You've got ambient lighting. You can just see that illuminating on the door cards. But the car is just gone a year old. I'm not just saying it. It is beautiful. It's done 6,000 miles. There's not a mark on any of the interior. It's just beautiful and crisp. And we don't get many white ones. We get lots of other blacks, greys. I think the white, when it's broken up, black wheels, contrasting roof, it looks superb. Moving on to the front, so we've got memory seats there. You can see that gloss black again. Meridian speaker system. The seats are 20-way heated seats. Lots of lumbar, pure comfort, pure luxury. You've got a heated steering wheel. You've got adaptive cruise control. Just start the car up. And another key feature, so on a D300 SE, well SE model, you get a glass roof as standard, but it has the tilt, just tilt it now, there you go, and the sliding sunroof. Again, expensive option, I think it's about £2,000 now. You've then got all these wonderful features as standard, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise, digital cockpit, 13.1-inch screen, your Privy Pro, which has then got all them great features. So you've got surround camera, which I'll just show you, which is 3D. All works lovely on this bigger screen as well. Wireless Apple CarPlay. If I just slide that, you've got wireless charging there. Heated seats in the front, as you would expect, and heated seats in the rear. Now I'll just show you, if I go to the adjustments and go to driver, they're all, these are all the different sections. So you've got all the different lumbar of all them different features. So that's what I'm saying, they're very, very comfortable. Beautiful inside. You've then got other little features I'll quickly show you. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Alexa. Cabin lighting is standard. I'll show you that. So you can adjust all the different interior colours. Just a very beautiful 300 horsepower luxury Range Rover with all the right extras, and most importantly, it's priced really, really well. Electric tailgate, split folding. If you want to drop them seats down, you can just by pressing them buttons. Huge boot space. It's a lovely, lovely car, this. One owner, 6,000 miles. White with the 23s, black pack, sliding sunroof, shadow line, steps, all the right features. It's going live on the website. Thank you for watching.